Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres, the home of the off-grid cabin. This is February. This is April 14th. Beautiful day out here. It's gonna be a warm one. Getting a few of those now. No rain, so I had to bring some water with me to fill up the barrel, put some in the barrels, and figure out where my leak is in the rainwater catchment system. And got some T-posts to put up some temporary fencing here so I can bring my dog out with me, and some 2x4s. They're getting almost affordable again, but I gotta start getting the material together to start building a house out here. And Mark on Prepper Nurse One's channel, Ed's channel out there, he built his cabin, and he built it in sections at his house, and then carried the sections down there and put it together. I'm gonna use that same concept, build the whole house in sections, keep it in the barn, and then have a weekend where we just simply put all the pieces together and have a dried in shell then in a weekend. So every time I come out, I'll be bringing material with me. And fortunately, last Saturday night during the live stream, I got some what they call super chats, and some people sent some money for the Lowe's fund. So I hit Lowe's up, and between my paycheck and a little bit of money I get from that, I was able to buy a load of 2x4s anyway. There's 50 2x4s. And I want to mention the post I bought at Tractor Supply. And at Tractor Supply, when you buy the T-posts, if you buy 5 of them, there's 5 in a bundle. I bought 4 bundles. You get a bag of clips for the farm fencing. So don't forget, when you buy your post. Who's going by now? I'm telling you, you can tell the weather's changing. People are out everywhere. But yeah, I got 4 bags of clips for the fencing. Although that's not the kind of fence I'm going to use, but I'll keep those because that's the kind of fence I'm going to use around the around the garden. But yeah, I got to get this stuff unloaded. I'm going to try to unload. Then I'm going to see if the mower will start. See if I get that going, and maybe do a quick mowing out here today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and Sunday, so I'll try to get it mowed today. Well, looky up there. Everybody flying around looking for something. Looking for me, I reckon. Oh well. Anyway, let me get busy to unloading some stuff and filling up jugs and our barrels. I'll be back. So it rained every day for winter, it seems like. And when I needed the rain, we get nothing. So this will fill them up. I got a busted jug. This will give me about 20 gallons. That'll be enough to turn the pump on, get it pressurized, see where my leak is. And then this weekend's rains will fill them up. All right, folks. There's 50 more 8-foot 2x4s. And yeah, it's a pain in the ass to unload, but it's easier unloading them and stacking them in here than it is sorting through 2 or 3 pallets of them at Lowe's to find 50 that are usable. But what I've got here, those are all 2x8, 10-foot 2x8s I found a special on. I've got about 40 of those. I didn't need that many, but I found a deal. So I grabbed them, got a few more 2x4s there, and all the 4x6s I need for the beams. And my plan is to buy everything that I need, pre-build the sections. I'm going to build it in 8-foot by 8-foot sections. I'll build all the floor out in 8-foot by 8-foot sections and walls, and store them here in the barn until I get everything together. I got plenty of room in the barn between here and down below. So I should be able to have everything. My roof trusses I'll pre-build. Everything will be built and then put together like a puzzle. So you have to keep watching to see how I do it. I've been through 100 different scenarios of building. What to build, how to build, where to build, when to build, everything. This is the final thing. And I've got now about half the 2x4s I need. I've got a whole bill of materials for everything and priced at Lowe's prices without the roof material, the tin for the roof. I'm between $7,000 and $8,000. So add, $1,500 worth of windows, some couple doors. I mean, that's what I say. It's going to be cheaper this way, just harder and longer. I can't just order one and have it delivered. Let's see how my tarp's doing over in my garden area. I see part of it. Well, you know what? Not too bad for something me and Gary threw together. I have to fix that. But just that one section blew up. Awesome. Next week, get it uncovered and see what it looks like. And till it again. Oh my God. Talk about sore after I did that. Man alive, y'all know that. You saw the videos. But yeah, that's pretty good. They're still here. I got to get up to there, put a downspout down to come into those totes so I can water. But I've still got a month or so to work on that. Find somebody to do it, because I'm not climbing up there. I mean, I have a 24-foot extension ladder. I don't think that'll get me up there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I want to fill those totes up when it rains, and one side of the barn will be plenty. All right, boys and girls. That's done. I'm going to go inside, sit down, drink some Dr. Pepper, upload this video, and relax a bit, because I'm unloaded. Had no problem starting the Husqvarna, so I'll be able to give this thing a good first mowing, because it needs it. Already. Man. All right. Anyway, I hope y'all appreciated that. Hope you liked it. I'm going to check my P.O. box. That's what I got to do. But I'll get this uploaded, try to do some more when I'm mowing, because some of y'all like mowing videos. We'll see how that works out. This is Joe out here at the off-grid cabin of St. Bernard Acres. I'm out.